Welcome back, everyone. If you're looking for an easy-to-make sweet treat, we have something cold and refreshing on the menu as we grab a bite with Belkys.
Guys, want a little sweet without the super calories? How about we make our own ice cream? You don't need anything fancy except your blender. Let's do it. For this one, you're gonna need frozen bananas, frozen strawberries, some whole milk, and vanilla. So we froze our bananas overnight and we're gonna put them in the blender. If you let them come to room temperature, they'll be a little easier to blend. We've got our frozen strawberries as well. We're also gonna put these in the blender. To this, we're going to add a cup of whole milk and some vanilla and let the blender do the work. I find that if you let the fruit come to room temperature, it works out better in the blender. And we just take this and just pour it in a loaf pan. We got our ice cream, gonna put it in the freezer. Takes a couple of hours till it gets solid. And once it does, you've got ice cream. 24 hours later, you've got ice cream. Let's serve it up and add some toppings. Strawberry banana ice cream, make your own. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Belkys Nerey. Buon appetito.
And you can find more information on this and other recipes right on our website there, WSVN.com. Just click on Entertainment and then on Bite. That's also where you can dig right into Belkys' Bite blog.